Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a lemony pasta with some capers. This dish is definitely vegetarian, and I believe... No, it's not vegan. There's butter. Anyway, let's start off this dish. 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and we just want to brown that up just a little bit. Then you want to add the zest of 1 lemon as well as the juice. And when the capellini is done and drained, just drop it in there. Capellini takes almost no time, about 4 minutes if I remember correctly, but just look at your package and take a minute off. And then you want to add about a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan. Just eyeball it, because you can never have too much cheese. Okay, a little correction. This is where you add the lemon juice. Again, you should watch the videos to the end before making the dish. Just use your hands to catch the seeds if there are any. If any actually do get in, it's not that big of a deal. You can fish them out, or I don't know. Did lemon seeds ever hurt anyone? Why do lemon seeds get a bad rap? Then you just want to get a spoon and give this a little stir around. We still got a few more ingredients to add, but we just don't want the cheese to kind of burn at the bottom. Or do what you should have done and grab some tongs and toss this. Oh, also, this is the part where you add 2 tablespoons of capers to the dish. If you don't know where capers are, typically they're found in the pickle section of your local grocery store. Pretty much any decently sized grocery store will have these damn things. But again, look for the pickles, and they should be on the top shelf. Okie dokie. It's ready to serve. Place it in a bowl, and let's bring it over for final touches. Last thing, some freshly ground black pepper. And that's really it. Lemony pasta with capers. Done.